So I've been talking about this for I don't even know how long now, but the merch store is finally live, guys. You can check it out down in the link below. And to make it even better, I'm having a launch sale, so you guys can get an additional 10% off anything in the store using the code LAUNCH at checkout. But before you buy something, I actually want to show you a few of the products that I'll be selling. I basically wanted to make stuff that anyone can appreciate, like I've mentioned in my other videos, guys. I don't want just people who watch my YouTube channel to enjoy and appreciate these items. That way, if you guys want to get something for your brother, for your dad, and they can appreciate it without even knowing about my channel. But I will say, although I'm going to be showing you guys a sample of what there is on the website, there's still a lot more, and there's a lot more to come. So with that said, guys, let me show you a few of the items that I have on the store and give you guys an idea of what to expect when you go buy some stuff for yourself. Alright guys, so in this box I have a few of the items that I'll be offering on my store. So of course, like I said, there's going to be a few items so you guys can rock the logo, the A logo. So this is a snapback like trucker hat. Of course, this comes in a few colors, and you guys can see the logo right over here is embroidered. I actually really like this. Other than that, I have a dad hat, which if you guys know me, I love these types of hats. Again, this one is embroidered with the logo. These are actually really nice, and I'll be honest with you guys, everything in this box and everything that I offer on the store is really good quality. I didn't want to just offer some cheap stuff, and everything I tried to keep very reasonably priced. So these are really nice if you guys like hats. And then over here, I of course have a hoodie. This one again is just with the logo, so you guys can see the logo right over here. Again, just really nice quality hoodie. I will say, guys, I did test these products before offering them on my store. That's why this whole process takes a little longer than I expected. You have to wait for things to ship out, test it out, make any adjustments as needed, and then ship out another one to test it out. So it is a long process. I will say though, guys, if you are a size large like I am, typically I wear a size large hoodie. I'm wearing a Nike hoodie right now, and it is a large and it fits me. These hoodies run a little smaller, so I would recommend getting a size up. So personally, I got the large for myself. It was a little tight, so I think X large is best for me. So overall, guys, I would just recommend going a size up on the hoodie. That's not the case with the t-shirts. It's probably because the hoodies are technically unisex, so they probably run a little smaller. So yeah, if you guys like hoodies, this is definitely the way to go. Just like everything else, I do offer this in multiple colors like black, red, blue, and of course this gray right over here, which I actually really like. So now into the items that I think are going to be more popular, and that is the t-shirts. And the reason for that, guys, is these are not just about the brand. These are meant to be like more, like I guess like funny and just like car related in general. So here's the first one. As you guys can see, it says certified YouTube mechanic, and then a little guy over here confused holding his phone watching a YouTube video. Something I'm sure a lot of us can relate to, and I'm sure you guys can recognize the car on the shirt. That's right, it is literally the F30 that this box is sitting on. So I did try to keep these all related to my cars and the cars that you guys have and relate to. This is honestly one of my favorite shirts. I mean, I'll be honest with you guys, I love all the shirts. These are designed by me, although I did have people, professional people, like help me actually draw them, because although I did come up with like the idea and the design, I could not draw this myself. So these are definitely not just stock photos. These are pictures that were created from scratch in all originals. So definitely a nice shirt. This is like a dark gray color. I really like this. You guys know me, I wear like dark colors all the time. So this is just one of the many colors that these t-shirts are offered in. So all the t-shirts are offered in this color, a olive green, a black, and then like a navy and a red. But I wanted to try to mix them up a little bit, so you guys can get this t-shirt in any of the other colors, and of course any of the other sizes. I will say this one is a size large. Normally I wear a size large t-shirt, and this one fit really well. But again, guys, like the hoodies, these are technically unisex, so if you want to get a size larger just to have a little more room, definitely feel free to. But personally, I like the size large. So yeah, with that said, guys, let me show you some of the other t-shirts. There's only 2 more to show you guys right now. I have 1 more on the website, but unfortunately I just don't have a sample of that one right now. All right, and here's the next shirt. As you guys can see, it says low life, because you guys already know I am a low life. And if you guys can recognize the car right over here, that's right, this is the 435, and I'm sure you guys can remember that car was definitely super low, so I was definitely living the low life with this car. Again, just something in general that hopefully a lot of you guys can relate to. So to those who are part of the low life, I'm sure you guys will appreciate this shirt. This, by the way, is in that olive green color, which is also one of my favorite colors. I think the gray and the olive green are probably my favorite, but again, just like everything else, this is offered in every other color. So with that said, guys, let me show you the last t-shirt that I have here. All right, and this is the last one that I have to show you guys today. So this one says buy it, build it, drive it. So something I'm sure a lot of us can relate to. This one's a little more clean, a little more simple. Of course, this is the black. It's not just a flat black, it's sort of like a textured black, which I actually really like, because this is less likely to kind of like dull out over time in the laundry. So definitely a cleaner, simpler shirt. I actually think this is going to be one of the more popular shirts. Again, simple, clean, anyone who likes cars, anyone who appreciates cars can appreciate this shirt. And that was honestly my goal with all this stuff, guys. I also currently have one more shirt on the website that says Passenger Princess. So if you guys have a passenger princess in your life, definitely feel free to get that shirt for them. You guys already know my wife is going to be rocking that shirt because she's definitely a passenger princess. But yeah, like I kept on saying, guys, there's definitely going to be a lot more shirts and hoodies to come. But this is sort of it for now. So if you guys want to get a hoodie or a hat or even a sticker just to rock the brand, definitely feel free to. But these shirts I think are going to be a little more popular. But no matter what you guys get, I'll definitely appreciate it, and you guys will be supporting the channel by doing so. So if you guys want to support me, and if you want to get a cool shirt or hoodie for yourself, check out the link down in the description below. Again, guys, I'm currently running a launch sale, so you guys can get an additional 10% off on all the products in the store if you just put in the code LAUNCH at checkout. Again, I'd really appreciate it, guys. It's going to help support this channel and help get us to bigger and better places, get some better cars, help pay for that new M car that's coming in. So to everyone who supports, to everyone who's going to buy something, I appreciate you guys. I know this was a quick video, but again, just kind of wanted to show you guys all this stuff in person. So with that said, guys, this video is pretty much done, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.